Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I am So. Welcome. So today, it's not Tuesday, but we wanted to have tacos anyway. So we're making tacos! Tacos, by the way, guys, is Monday through Sunday thing. It's not just for Tuesdays. Of course, we celebrate it and eat it on Tuesdays, but I can eat tacos for breakfast, for lunch, for dinner, post-dinner, pre-dinner, post-snack, pre-snack. It does not matter. A taco is a taco. So today, we're making Cajun shrimp tacos.
How you doing?
Alright, so as you can see, I do have quite a few seasonings here. Not all seasonings will be used to season our shrimp, but you will see that they will be used for other ingredients that will be pictured in the video. But we're gonna start off with some garlic powder, some onion powders, some cayenne pepper, smoked paprika. We're gonna start off with some cumin, Old Bay seasoning, and Cajun seasoning. I will make sure that I do list the seasonings down below, so make sure you check out the description box for the complete recipe. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe, give me a big thumbs up, and turn on your post notifications for every time I post a new recipe. Alright, so to speed up the process, make sure that your shrimp is already clean, peeled, and deveined. Off camera, I had already seasoned it together. You can season it to your likings, of course. All right, and then I put it into a pan with a little bit of olive oil. Shrimp will only take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side to cook. Shrimp cooks fairly fast. Then we're gonna proceed to the vegetables that we will place on the tacos. As you can see, I have quite a few different ingredients here listed. The vegetables were already pre-washed as I pre-washed them, cleaned them, and then ready to be chopped. For my tacos, I use some romaine lettuce, I use the tomato, jalapeno, onions, and also black olives as well. If you haven't already, make sure you check out my guacamole video. It is listed on my channel. Now for the good part, we took some pre-made already tortilla shells. We put a little bit of vegetable oil in the pan, low to medium heat, and we fried those tortilla shells. If you want a video of me actually making tortilla shells, let me know in the comments below. It's really fast and simple, but because I was cutting short for time, I already had just got some soft tortilla shells and I just fried up those bad boys. So here's what the taco shells will actually look like once they are complete. Yes, my shrimp is complete. Are y'all ready for these tacos? I'm ready. So if you're gonna give the whole full effect for the tacos and you want that tacos, you need some corn, of course. You want some street corn, and if you want a recipe on some authentic Mexican style street corn, some Mexican style rice, listen, I will put together a quick recipe for you. And to top it off, you can't have tacos without tequila, baby. Tacos and tequila. I think it's a thing. Yes, tacos and tequila, they go hand in hand. Hi guys, I have a confession. My name is So, and I am a recovering taco addict. With only 15 cents a day, you can contribute to my habit. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. It was a joke. I'm not a recovering taco addict. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this tutorial, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed and a part of Soul's creation. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next video. If it ain't soul food, it ain't soul's way. Ciao.